Okay, so let's go ahead and click on monitoring traces. So inside of monitoring, let's click on traces. And here we see that traces are disabled for this project. We need to enable trace. So let's do that now. So traces is off. So let's hit on this button to click to make sure it's on. Okay. And now what App Engine will do for us automatically is with every new request, it will actually trace that request and see how long it takes to complete that request. And also it will actually separate all of the different items, all of the different things that are happening with our request and see and measure the time for each item so that we know what's the bottleneck in our application, okay? So we'll see this after just a second. What I'm going to do now, since this is a new site and it doesn't really have traffic, not just yet, I'm going to actually go ahead and simulate that traffic so that we can quickly gather data, okay? And this is, again, another way of testing your application is by simulating the traffic to it. Okay, so I'm running a simulator in the background for our site. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave it so that it finishes doing all of the requests it's going to do to my site. And once it's finished, I believe we'll be able to figure out what the bug is that I was mentioning before. Okay, so before I mentioned that I've introduced two bugs. We've already fixed one, which was that the application broke. And the second one is not that the application breaks, but we'll see in just a little second what it actually does.